these two Bronco bolts on the cowl. The first one is a TP25 and the second one is a TP30. And it's your choice which way round you want to mount the bracket. You can have it angled away from the front of the vehicle, or if you choose the opposite bracket, you can have it leaning towards the front of the vehicle. On the passenger side of the vehicle here, I'm showing you what it looks like mounted with the bracket facing towards the front of the vehicle. Simply install and tighten down the bolts. TP30 on the right, TP25 on the left. As you can see in the background, I already had the rigid ditch lights installed. They're just resting on a towel so they don't damage the windshield. And I'm mounting the bracket for those rigid ditch lights here. And here you can see I slide the mount all the way over to the left for the potential to install a second set of ditch lights on the right hand side. The mounting bracket lifts up the ditch light and pushes it forward in this case. On the passenger side, I used the same bracket and rotated it 180 degrees, so you can see it's lifted up the ditch light and pulled it back towards the A-pillar. So that just gives you an idea of the two different ways of mounting this bracket.